Hi Kenya, welcome back to the channel. So I've been up to the ABR Festival. How did my trip go? Well, it didn't start off that well. It was raining, and then 10 minutes into the ride, I had a puncture. Repair kit out, fixed it by the side of the road, put one canister into it, went to the next garage, compressor wasn't working. Anyway, I've checked in at the ABR, I'm here. Found a spot, put the tent up, let's go and have a look around.
Is the wave or not?
Chinese bikes are getting more and more popular. This was one I fancy. Gonna keep on walking straight past the food stalls. And have a nice, cool, refreshing cider. Nothing much happening on stage, so let's go and have a look at the trade stands. I get a VIP ticket and come up on the Thursday. Things are a little bit quieter to have a look around. You might not be able to find what you're looking for, but if you don't, then you've probably just walked past it. Go back round and have another look. There's stands here selling and promoting almost every product you could ever need. My mate Jamie's got a Royal London, so this one's for him. People have booked in and are going out on demonstration rides already. Helmets, gloves, bike stands and muck off. The next morning, with the music still ringing in my ears, these bikers are up bright and early and they're off out on the trails.
And then they gave me an Irish welcome at one of the bars.
You were fucked then.
That was a big night.
Tried getting a coffee at the Triumph stand, but you had to own a Triumph before going in to see Itchy Boots.
Solar panel. Again, we got it from an Audi sale in Australia. It cost about $50.
The what's it called, the Copper Coast, or you can do the Ring of Kerry, and they're just stunning places to ride a motorcycle. You can easily do that in 4 days.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please do give it up for motorcycle traveller and author Chris Donaldson. I tried to phone you a couple of days ago when you were in a bar in Malta, weren't you?
That doesn't make me a bad person.
This bike's done some serious miles.
Busting your budget?
Yes.
Sad with a sad look in your eyes.
If I wanted to sit down and eat anything, even a sandwich, it would like £20.
No way.
In the BMW off-road riding skills arena, someone demonstrating how to lift a bike up properly, and down the other end, someone showing you how to change a tyre. How to change a tyre.
And we'll see in Morocco one day. That's what I'd like to do. It's brilliant.
The first thing we did before we put any pen on paper was basically live with those bikes. So I used one for about 6 months, I think it was, to and fro to work, commuting, greenlining at the weekends, did some longer trips.
Let's get him over these logs. Carl's having a little test run.
The ABR Festival, definitely not Glastonbury. Yes, I survived. Please hit the like button, click and subscribe. Thank you for watching.